Hey guys, what's going on? What's happening? This is DC from DC on Demand, and I'm here with a how-to video. And I wanted to make this video for the fellas because there's not a lot of videos catered to the guys on how to pack a carry-on luggage. So, packing a carry-on luggage for a guy on demand style means packing efficiently with a focus of versatility, ease of access, and looking stylish, even for a short trip. The goal is to fit everything you need for a quick getaway, whether it's a weekend getaway, a 3-day funky feed, or a whoop-de-doop, while ensuring that everything is neat and easy to grab without overpacking. So here's my step-by-step, so come on. So typically with your carry-on luggage, you tend to carry a backpack where you can keep your passport, your ID, any travel documents that you may need to pull out at the airport. And you would keep those in a dedicated pocket, somewhere easy where you can just pull it out, show it, put it back in. Also, your travel itineraries and your boarding pass, I will have a hard copy and I will have a digital copy. You know, you never know what happens, so just make sure you have more than one option. And if you're a business owner, a travel agent, content creator, I would also have some business cards to pass out in your transit from your home to your destination. And with your clothing, pack versatile pieces, stick to neutral colors, black, blues, navies, whites. This will be easy to mix and match with other clothes that you pack. So it can be 1 or 2 trousers or chinos. You can also pack shorts, a pair of jeans, depending on the weather. T-shirts, a button down, a casual shirt, and a t-shirt. 1 sweater or a pullover. As I said, a neutral color can work for a casual or a semi-formal look. 1 lightweight jacket or a blazer for a business trip or colder weather. And for your underwear, 3 to 4 pair underwears, even 5 pair. You know, your mom always told you, you pack more underwear just in case something may happen. But 3 to 4 pair underwear and socks will be efficient for a 3-day getaway. 1 pair of shoes, or if you want to do 2 pair of shoes, your bulkiest shoe you will wear to the airport, and you pack your lightweight one in your carry-on bag. So I like sneakers, so I tend to take 2 pairs. So I will wear a pair on the airport, to the airport, I'm sorry, and then my light one I will put in my bag. A pair of slides, depending on if you're going somewhere tropical, or a dress shoe if you're doing some business or you got some formal that you need to attend. And for your sleepwear, just need 1 pair of pajama pants or some shorts or whatever you sleep in. Active wear, if necessary. If you know that you're gonna do the gym, then you pack you some gym shorts and a t-shirt if you plan on working out. And for your toiletries, because we're not packing a check bag, we're packing a carry-on, your liquid should be 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters. Travel size shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, or either the 2-in-1 products will work fine. Toothbrush, toothpaste, and dental floss. You can get the little kits and put them in a pouch where you keep it all together. Deodorant, razors, and your shaving cream. Disposable razors are a good travel option. Your colognes in a travel size container. They has those little, those little containers that you can put your cologne in for easy travel. So you can take a couple of those different scents. Gadgets and accessories. Your phone chargers, your power banks, if needed, a laptop or a tablet, your watch cords, your camera, batteries, all those can be packed in a pouch or some sort of that you can easily pull out. I would say put it in your backpack, just for easy access, or you can put it in one of the compartment sleeves inside the carry-on luggage. Okay, when it comes to packing strategies, try rolling instead of folding, especially non-wrinkled clothing. You can roll up for heavy items like jeans and a jacket, you can fold. But I would try to fold I would try to roll as much as possible. Using packing cubes to organize your clothes is also a great way. You can put your day by day in separate packing cubes where you just pull out the packing cube for that day and you'd be good to go. So after you have all your items ready to be packed into your luggage, the next thing will be to choose a durable luggage. And right here I have the Level 8 Hegan 20-inch carry-on luggage. Like I said about the minimalist design, it's a clean design and can be suitable for both business and leisure travel. It's a durable material. As you can see, the material is really high quality. It's lightweight materials and ensure your luggage or bag is tough. You know, tough enough to withstand the hustle and bustle of the airport. You know, the weight and of your clothes, traveling across concrete, gravel. You know, it's gonna get you there. It has the 360 wheels, low noise, and smooth. You can easily maneuver it. Yeah, I like that. Easily to maneuver the luggage. Also, what I like, there is a zipperless carry-on. As you can see, it has the approved lock. And what I like about this carry-on luggage, it's functional, it got an elegance to it, right? Like I said, it's a minimalistic design, perfect for short or business travel. The TSA locks. Get into the locks, like it's very clean. I like the black. I'm loving the black. And then as we open it up, which I like when I open it up, it has this sturdy strap with the metal hooks. Listen to the background. So you know once you put this together, it ain't coming loose. I already started packing, so just got a few more things to put over there. Then it has two compartments, a mesh compartment, and a plastic compartment for additional storage. Maybe you have a little notepad or something that you want to store in here. And as long as you don't need much. The second compartment, deep inside, well, good bag. So let me add more stuff in here, and then we can head to the airport. Level 8 Luggage is an excellent choice for men who want to travel efficiently without sacrificing style. And with the sleek carry-on case and the on-demand style approach, you will be able to look good, travel light, and have everything you need without overpacking. This video was sponsored by Level 8 Luggage, and right now they're having a 20% off sale. The link will be in the description, so head on over to Level 8 Luggage and travel in style. Let me know some of your packing essentials, your must-haves that you need on a weekend getaway, and leave it down in the comments. Let me know how I did. If you like this video, you want to see more like this, let me know in the comments. And to my next video, peace.